Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Acer Swift Go 16 Intel Evo Edition. This laptop brings some serious power and sleek design, aiming to cater to everyone from professionals to casual users, with a special focus on those who want AI capabilities at their fingertips. With its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, AI-enhanced features, and a stunning 16-inch UXGA display, let's find out if it truly lives up to the hype. Starting with the specs, the Swift Go 16 is built to impress right out of the gate. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, this chip is part of Intel's latest Ultra series, designed for high-performance, low-power tasks that help you stay productive for longer without draining your battery. Along with this, it's paired with the Intel Arc GPU, a solid option for light gaming and creative tasks. Under the hood, you've got 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD. This configuration is ideal for multitasking, whether you're working on documents, streaming videos, or diving into heavier workloads like photo editing or casual video editing. The SSD ensures quick boot ups and fast access to your files, while the 16 gigabytes of RAM keeps your experience smooth, even when you're running several applications at once. The display is another standout feature. With a 16-inch UXGA 1920 by 1200 touchscreen, it promises vivid colors with 100% sRGB accuracy. This is great for media consumption, light creative work, and general use, where color fidelity really matters. The touchscreen capability adds an extra layer of convenience if you prefer to tap and swipe instead of using the trackpad. Whether you're editing photos or watching movies, the high-quality IPS panel ensures excellent contrast and color reproduction. However, it's worth noting that it's not 4K, so it might not be as sharp as some higher-end displays if you're used to ultra-high resolution for detailed content creation or intense gaming. One of the defining features of the Swift Go 16 is its AI readiness. Thanks to Intel's dedicated AI engine, known as Intel AI Boost, the laptop offloads AI tasks from the CPU, speeding up AI executions and providing a smoother experience. Whether you're using applications that leverage AI or just want faster responses from your system, this AI integration will make a noticeable difference. Plus, with Windows 11 and the new Copilot Assistant, you can perform tasks more efficiently. The Copilot key gives you one-touch access to generative AI, helping you work across multiple applications simultaneously, whether it's creating content or organizing your workflow. Moving to real-world performance, the Swift Go 16 shines in office productivity tasks. Whether you're browsing the web with a ton of tabs open, typing up reports, or jumping into video calls, the performance is snappy and reliable. Even under heavier workloads, like working with large files in Photoshop or editing video on a timeline, the laptop holds up well. For casual gaming, titles like Fortnite ties or Valorant run smoothly at medium settings. And while the Intel Arc GPU won't handle the most demanding AAA games at ultra settings, it does well in less demanding titles or at moderate settings. When it comes to battery life, Acer claims impressive performance for this thin and light model. Expect between 8 to 10 hours of battery life under typical office use, which includes tasks like web browsing, document editing, and streaming video. If you're pushing the laptop harder with creative workloads or gaming, expect this to drop to around 5 to 6 hours. It's not exceptional, but for a laptop this powerful, it's still impressive. The charging speed is pretty good too, with the laptop reaching a good percentage in a short time, making it a solid companion for long days on the go. At just 1.3 kilograms, 2.87 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry around, perfect for commuters or students who need portability without compromising performance. Now, let's talk thermals and noise. The Swift Go 16 is designed to stay cool, even when pushed during longer tasks. Under light use, it remains relatively quiet with no noticeable fan noise, but during intensive workloads like gaming or heavy multitasking, the fans can get a little louder, though not overwhelmingly so. The chassis, while thin, does stay cool to the touch under normal use. However, during prolonged gaming or editing sessions, the keyboard and underside can get warm, though not to the point where it's uncomfortable for lap use. Overall, this laptop strikes a good balance between performance and comfort when it comes to heat management. The keyboard and trackpad feel solid for extended use. The key travel is comfortable, and the feedback is just right for typing sessions, making it an ideal choice for anyone who spends a lot of time on their laptop. The trackpad is responsive with good palm rejection, which makes it a breeze to navigate without any accidental misclicks. The layout is standard, and the function keys are easy to reach. There's no number pad, which is typical for a 16-inch laptop in this class, but it's something to keep in mind if you need that extra space for data entry. Connectivity-wise, the Swift Go 16 comes with a solid selection of ports, including USB-A, USB-C with Thunderbolt 4 support, an HDMI 2.1 port, and an SD card reader, which is great for photographers and content creators. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures blazing fast internet speeds, and Bluetooth 5.3 provides stable connections to peripherals like headphones or wireless mice. For storage, the 1TB SSD offers ample space for most users, and while RAM is not upgradable, the 16GB is sufficient for most tasks and should last for years to come. Now, let's address the potential downsides. The display, while sharp and color accurate, doesn't hit the 4K resolution that some high-end creators or gamers might want, and the Intel Arc GPU, while capable, can't handle the most demanding titles at ultra settings. Additionally, while the battery life is solid, it's not as impressive as some other ultra portables, particularly if you're heavy on media consumption or creative work. The AI features are definitely a bonus, but their utility depends on how much you plan to leverage them in your daily tasks. When it comes to value for money, the Acer Swift Go 16 offers a compelling package for those looking for a thin and light laptop with solid performance across various tasks, from productivity to light gaming and content creation. Priced competitively, it holds its own against similar models like the Dell XPS 15 or the MacBook Air M2, though those options might offer stronger performance in specific areas, like display quality or raw power. In conclusion, the Acer Swift Go 16 is a well-rounded laptop for users who need a balance of performance, portability, and smart features. It's especially suited for students, office workers, and casual creators who value AI integrations and need a reliable, lightweight laptop that looks great on the go. Gamers or users needing more GPU power might want to look elsewhere, but for most everyday users, this is a solid choice that delivers where it counts. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech reviews. The link to grab this laptop is in the comments box. And feel free to drop any questions or your own experiences with the Swift Go 16 down below. Until next time, take care, and remember, your next great laptop might just be a click away.